on dispatchers. So what exactly dispatcher means is, suppose we have the standard navigations, right? So suppose if I click on account, it will navigate to the list page. And if you click on any one of the account, so it goes to the detail page. So that is the standard navigation, right? Okay, so this is the standard navigation that we have. Right now, if we want to change this navigation, suppose after clicking on, this is kind of a default subtab in simplified UI. So by default, the profile icon or overview subtab will be the default, right, in SUI. So, and also we have option to change the uh, another subtab as a default one. So same here. So we can change this path. So that can be done using dispatcher rules. Okay. Now we will go to configuration and then application composer. So here we have this tool called dispatcher. So if you go to application composer without sandbox, you will see some mainline components, mainline tools, and here you can find the dispatcher. Okay, this is the dispatcher tool. Okay. So here you can create your own dispatcher rules. So first you can give the name of the dispatcher rule. And if you want to apply only for specific users, then you can filter based on roles. And if you want to apply for all roles, you can choose globally. Okay. And you can keep location of the navigation component unchecked. And now we need to choose the path. So this is a CX sales application, and here it will be, again, we need to choose the object. So which application, which page, and what is the page. So from where we wanted to navigate. So from list page, right? We need to navigate. So that's why we have selected opportunity list. And the standard destination of this navigation component is, if you go to for this opportunity object, standard navigation, when you click any opportunity, it navigates to the detail page, right? So that is the standard. Okay. So I have another rule. That's why it is saying overlapping rule. Now, new destination. So instead of detail page, where should I go? That's we will define here. So still we will go to detail page, but we will open a different. Okay, suppose I wanted to go to edit page. Okay. This is the standard navigation. Okay, fine. Now I don't need any parameter. Opportunity. Then here need to pass view. That should be create. If we will inactivate this, this will be edit actually. So now if we go to opportunities, we'll see whether it navigates to create page, edit page by default when we click on the link. It's a mainline task, so it should be available. So it doesn't need any sandbox visual builder for this. It is going to the create page. Looks like the parameter value is something wrong. So it is navigating directly to the create page. That is the default one. Okay, so now we will test another rule, that is showing a subview rate default. So for that, again we will go to the dispatcher rules and we will modify this. So once you get to know once you configure custom objects, so then you will get some understanding what are these variables and why these are required. So I'll be taking this T rule an example. I'll make it inactive and I'll open this. So here this rule applies globally, and this is from list page, and this is the standard navigation and detail page it will go. But here we are passing a parameter called view, and this view is child revenue. Okay, so this opens the subview layout of products. Okay, so now we will save this rule and then we will open the opportunity again. Now go to Redwood sales opportunities. Now notice this subview layout for the opportunity product is selected by default. So you can, instead of showing this panels, it is navigating to that subview directly. So we will test this one. I think in place of view, we will place mode. Oh, it is create. So it is showing correctly. Okay, fine. So this is how the dispatcher will work.